This road I'm on is raised and narrow, but it leads to better home. It was laid by Christ one day at Calvary, when He suffered all alone. This road may leads on many high mountains and valley dark and low, but I walk each day with sweet assurance, and I safely reach my home. I hear the rejoice and gladness and rest for the weary soul. I hear their peace and tears, everybody will be happy at home. I'll be at home with Jesus, where tears will never be shed. Though so often this road gets rough and rocky, still I know what lies ahead. While on this road I get so weary, and often my feet would stray, but I tend the hands to lead me yours and help me find a way. As the bandit shifts and grows its way by stand on daily lane, but I won't look back, gotta keep on working, for I know what lies ahead. I hate their joys and gladness and rest for the weary soul. I hate their missing no tears, everybody will be happy and home. I'll be at home with Jesus, where tears will never be shed. Though so often this road gets rough and rocky, still I know what lies ahead. Though so